Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you connect Trust Wallet with Onchain step by step. So step number one is you have to install Trust Wallet. So just go to the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android, and then just search for Trust Wallet and install the application from here. And then just open it and create a new wallet or import an existing one using your recovery phrase. Step number two is open the Onchain or the website application or website. So just launch your browser and go to the Onchain platform, like for example, onchain.trade, but it depends on you. This is just an example. So just look for the connect wallet button, usually in the top right. For step number three, just choose the wallet connect. So on the Onchain side, click connect wallet, which is this one. Select wallet connect from the list of connection options. And then a QR code will appear on the screen. So step number four is use Trust Wallet to scan QR code. So open the Trust Wallet application, tap on the settings tab, then choose wallet connect. Then use the built-in scanner to scan the QR code shown on the Onchain website. So Trust Wallet will prompt you to approve the connection, so you just have to tap on connect. And lastly is you are now connected once you do that. So your Trust Wallet is now connected to Onchain and you can now trade, stake, swap, or interact with the applications directly from the platform using your Trust Wallet balance. And that's it for today's video. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!